polar. Come, little drink.
Wine, music, candlelight. I think we've traveled down this road before, Jack.
Yes, we have. I remember it well. Winding, twisting, and turning, gyrating, writhing, incessant writhing. You recall Saint Dominique?
La Martinique. I tried to kill you in Saint Dominique.
Either or.
Hardly appropriate for a first mate.
Was I the first? I've often wondered.
You can be so charming when you want something, Jack. The trick is finding out what.
Truth, then, is it? Blackbeard has served his purpose. You and I can go to the fountain together, where we shall bathe one another in equal shares of fame and other assorted debaucheries.
And I'll tell you the ritual of the fountain.
Yes, the profane ritual.
Can I trust you, Jack? I need you on my side.
Oh, my dearest Angelica, you and I are as thick as thieves, love. Tell me the rules.
Water from the fountain of youth. The shimmering tear of a mermaid. The silver chalices of Ponce de Leon. With these items.
Yes.
With these items, you may take all the years of life from another, Jack.
Eh?
You know what that means? We cannot go alone, you and I. The ritual requires a victim.
That is unfortunate.
Yes, it is.
I found my desire for the fountain greatly lessened.
But there is something on board you do want.
What about Blackbeard?
He's in the chart room. We'll have to be quick. He keeps each ship as a prize. You help me, and I promise you your pick. Though I think I know the one you will choose.
The black pearl in the bottle? Why is the black pearl in the bottle? It's even more annoying in miniature.
Do we have a deal, Jack?
Angelica, I know you. You are not going to steal the life of some innocent man.
What about the one-legged man? I need years, Jack. Not for me. For my father. I am truly the daughter of Blackbeard.
You've fallen for your own con, love.
No, he is my father. The lies I told you were not lies.
You lied to me by telling me the truth?
Yes.
That's very good. May I use that?
I'm sure you will anyway.
Well, of course I will. So will you not give up this quest?
I want a father, Jack. I haven't had one.
Angelica, your father, Blackbeard. He is evil, and he will kill you, given the chance. He cannot be saved.
And who are you to set the limits on redemption? You stole years of my life, Jack. You owe me.
And you are en route to getting yourself killed. And I am not inclined to stand by and watch.
White Casper!